Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to turn 2D image like this to 3D model, as you can see, using Gaussian splatting with the Blender. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google. We have to download this Blender version by clicking this down button. I already downloaded here Blender 4.5 latest version. After that, go here to this link. All those links on the description. Click this easy environment, download this add-on. After that, download the Python 3.11 from here. And after that, go here. We have those three files. Add-on Blender Python. Let's install it by one by one. Let's begin with Blender with Python. Sorry. Install now. Close. Install Blender. Next, and install. And take this one and hit finish. Why we are installing this Blender version? Because the easy environment add-on is not works in Blender 5. That's why I chose this version. Okay, now let's install our add-on. First of all, let's hit in Blender. Continue. General. Delete all of those. Edit preferences. Search for add-ons. And go here, install from disk, and choose the path of our add-on desktop is environment. Okay, bye. This is my EasyEnv file. As you can see, it works fine, but in Blender 5 it not works. Okay, let's move to the next step. Let's close this one. Okay, press N, or you can go to this arrow and drag it like this, and go here to the easy environment. Okay, first of all, click this install environment. Check the system console for progress. Okay, where is my system console? We have to go here to Window, target system console. As you can see, it's downloaded some files. For this file is the torch 2.8. It takes around 3 gigabytes. Okay, it takes some time to download this file. Let's wait. Okay, as you can see, our environment is fully installed. Now let's move to the next step. How to using Gaussian Splat to turn 2D image to 3D environment. Okay, first thing first, after that, click this generate. If you have RTX GPU, use this one, because NVIDIA GPU RTX is the fastest if available. Okay, output. Make the output folder for the Gaussian splatting. It's missing Gaussian splatting. Yes. Hit accept. Output accept. Okay, generate PLI from image. Okay, let's choose one of our images. I have this one and this one, this one and this one. I have two theirs. This is this road. Okay, where is my image? Not this. I think this one. Okay, generate from this image. Okay, as you can see, this is my image. Let's press Z and let's show the material preview. Okay, update active view. Okay, let's see the rendered view. Okay, as you can see, This is the 3D model that I created from this image. Okay, this is my image. It takes first the resolution. If the resolution of this image is not high, it's like this. Let's update time. You can update the brightness, for example. You can adjust the contrast, saturation, and other things. Enable camera updates, point cloud. You can use anything. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.